This is the dried bark of the Voacanga Africana tree, and it's been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of plants with a special focus on Voacanga Africana. Now I've got something exciting to share with you. I actually have with me a sample of dried Voacanga Africana right here, and I want to show you how it looks like. As you can see, it's very beautiful. Has a darkish brown color and a rich earthy tone to it. The texture is quite interesting, a little rough and slightly woody. As you can see, little rough and slightly woody. This is the dried bark of the Voacanga Africana tree, and it's been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Now, this plant is native to tropical Africa, specifically in regions like Congo and Gabon. It's a very small tree, but it packs a punch in terms of its medicinal properties. For generations, people in these regions have used the bark, the seeds, as you can see here. These are the seeds of Voacanga Africana, as well as the roots of this plant for various ailments. Voacanga Africana has been traditionally used to treat a wide range of conditions, from skin infections like eczema and fungal infections to more serious issues like abscesses and even filaria. It's also believed to have some pain-relieving properties. So what's the science behind Voacanga Africana? Scientists are still exploring the full potential of this plant, but research suggests that it contains compounds that may have anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and even analgesic or pain-relieving properties. As usual, when you're dealing with plants, and especially plant medicine, safety is of paramount importance. Now, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as medical advice. Always prioritize your health and safety. Never use it without consulting a qualified professional. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of Voacanga Africana. It's a fascinating plant with a rich history and potential medicinal benefits, but it is important to approach it with respect and caution. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Have you heard of Voacanga Africana before? Do you have any questions? Let's keep the conversation going. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.